Hello everyone. If you want to enjoy hosting or hosting at 91% discount, then you are the right place, because in this video I'm going to tell you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can claim up to 91% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and then use either of the coupon code as I'm going to tell you to get as much as up to 91% discount. Everything is mentioned in the description of this video. So once you click on an amazing discount link, you are landed over here. Now you can see first of all 30 days money back guarantee, which is valid for Hostinger. Scroll below. Now look around on the review. 69,000 reviews on Trustpilot. Now Trustpilot is an industry's independent website to verify Hostinger reviews. So let's see what people are saying regarding Hostinger. So let's see some of the reviews for the Hostinger. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. 5 star reviews, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So my experience was great. So no, it's not that almost all of the reviews are 5 star. You can see that we got 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, and 1 star reviews as well. The best thing Hostinger has is that all of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee, and even I am giving you my own 5 years experience, which is just amazing. Now scroll below. It's in Hostinger Horizons, is an AI app to create your website or web apps. And if you want to create a website on WordPress, Hostinger supports it. Hostinger also has a Migrate to Hostinger service. So if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger Migrate to Hostinger service is going to manage all of it. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description, then open this link and then follow the Migrate to Hostinger from over here as I'm going to tell you, and you can choose the plan over here, and you can see that as compared to competitors, Hostinger offer you all of this at free of cost. Again, this is valid only for my customers who click on the link in the description and then follow this. So scroll down now, and I'm going to tell you, I'm going to go to the main part over here and how you can get up to 91% discount. So all of the plans cover 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime. All of the plans have 24/7 support, which is just amazing from Hostinger. So these are the three popular plans, and you can claim the coupon code discount on any of the plan. But make sure to do a thorough search of all the plan features function before you opt for one. If you ask me, I've been using the business plan and it's very good. Been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, and you can claim the maximum possible discount on the business plan. The other plans have slightly less discount. Make sure to click on the link in the description. And now I'm going to tell you how you can claim up to 91% discount on the business plan. Once you select the choose plan at Hostinger, now once you click on this, now you will be redirected to another page, and on that page I'm going to tell you how you can claim as much as up to 91% discount at Hostinger. So once you select the choose plan, now you can see that you are now being redirected to another page, and on that page you can claim this amazing discount from Hostinger. Now over here you can see that Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. But to save the best amount of money for the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again, these are special exclusive prices for my audience. But you can select other billing periods as well as per your budget. You can claim a free domain for free for the first year from writing over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel. But remember, the free domain is only valid for the first year. If you are choosing from over here, make sure to select for 1 year so you do not have to overpay for anything. Now you can see your business plan over here. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code for Hostinger to get a further discount at Hostinger. So once you apply this, you can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. So now you see over here Hostinger 48 months at 79%, then 10% discount. 79 plus 10 is 89%, and then a daily backup and a free domain are free. It's a more than 113 value. It's more than 2%, so it's more than 91% over here. 79 plus 10, 89 plus more discount over here. So this is only valid for my audience who click on the link in the description. And before now there is another coupon code as well for Hostinger. You can use either of the coupon code, and the best thing is both of the coupon code are mentioned in the description of this video along with a special discount link for Hostinger, which I have gathered exclusively for my audience through Hostinger. So once you use that, you can see that you're going to get the same discount over here. Just wait a second. Now you can see that the coupon code discount is valid. Both are mentioned in the description of this video. Now simply select the continue over here. Your 30 days money back guarantee is valid. You may be asked to log in at Hostinger, or need to synchronize with the Google account, or need to create a new account at Hostinger to get on the last part. But since I'm already logged in, which is why I will move on to the last part, and that is payment methods. You can see my order summary over here. My coupon code is loaded at Hostinger. I'm going to write my billing details over here and simply select the quantity over here. My 30 days money back guarantee is valid, which is a very good add-on. Now selecting payment method. Hostinger offer you variety of payment method, guys. You can pay by CoinGate for crypto, Alipay, PayPal, Google Pay, credit card. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose to pay. Let's say I'm going with the credit card, may select add a new payment, write my credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And there are more country specific payment methods as well for individual countries as well. So yeah, I've been using Hostinger from last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, and which is why I highly recommend you to enjoy this amazing Hostinger deals. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code and follow the step-by-step tutorial to enjoy this amazing Hostinger discount at 91%. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger with this amazing deals. Good luck.